This is going to be a video tutorial on how to enable or disable hardware or graphics acceleration in the Opera GX web browser. I will be using a desktop PC for this. Let me jump over to my browser here. I have the Opera GX web browser opened up now. To enable or disable graphics acceleration, used to be called hardware acceleration, but now it's called graphics, but it's the same function, they just changed the name. You want to open up settings first. I'm going to go off to the upper left hand corner, up to the little O logo. I'm going to click on that. Then I'm going to go down to where it says settings, and I'm going to click on settings. Now on the page that opens up, the pane off to the left hand side, you want to click on browser. Then on the center pane, you want to scroll all the way down toward the bottom, down to where you see it says System, and the very first thing, use graphics acceleration when available. By default, it's probably toggled on like you see mine is, but you could toggle it off. Then you would have to relaunch, or you can toggle it back on. That is how to enable or disable graphics acceleration on the Opera GX web browser. Thanks for watching.